Hello, welcome to today's tutorial of how to set up Proxy in AdsPower Anti-Detect browser. So without further ado, let's start. First, head to the account dashboard. Next, let's check the remaining traffic balance. In this case, we have 500 megabytes of data remaining. Now, we tap Get Proxy at the sidebar to the left. And let's create a subaccount first. Here, we tap Add, then a window would pop out for us to set up the new subaccount. Once we have filled out the proxy username and password, which are combinations of letters and numbers, we then move to the third part, which is the subaccount status. Let's enabling this subaccount by selecting Enable. Last, to prevent traffic overuse, you may put in the number accordingly based on your needs. In this tutorial, we put 0.5 gigabytes since we have a total of 500 megabytes to use. After hitting Confirm, we can see that the newly created subaccount has appeared on the main dashboard. Double-check its traffic cap and status are both valid. Then, let's head to Credential Auth for getting our proxies. From the dashboard, we can configure the proxy in more detail. In this tutorial, our proxies will be USA targeted under rotation mode. In Certified Account, we choose the subaccount we just created, selecting either HTTPS or SOCKS 5 protocol based on your needs. For proxy address, since the proxies will be USA targeted, we then select America US in this case. After all that, we may now hit Batch Generation button and copy the first thread from the list. We will save it for later use once we are at the proxy setting in AdsPower Anti-Detect browser. Now, here we are at AdsPower's application. First, we create a new browser profile by tapping the New Profile button. Name this profile accordingly. In this case, we put as Swiftproxy USA rotation mode. Let's scroll down a bit, and there is the proxy setting. In here, we can either manually adding the proxy by picking Custom, or selecting the saved proxies you have already used in AdsPower. For proxy type, our residential proxies are both HTTP/SOCKS 5 supported, but in this case let's pick HTTP. For the rest, we have host, port, proxy username and proxy password. We simply paste the thread we have already copied from Credential Auth. The blanks will then be auto-filled with the needed information. Once we've done all that, we may now check the proxy to see if it is working or not. It takes a few seconds for AdsPower to inspect the proxy status. Sometimes, it would show connection failed from the first inspection. No worry though, since it takes about a minute or two for proxy to be activated. So, just tap Check Proxy once again, and we should be good to go. Lastly, tapping OK button to finish creating new browser. And now, you have successfully setting up residential proxies in AdsPower Anti-Detect browser.